Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. My name is Soma. Khushi's Kitchen runs by me. So far, you have seen my two hands cutting vegetables, chopping, cooking, as well as serving. Today, for the first time, I have come live in front of you on YouTube. So, with my folded hands, please excuse me if anything goes wrong or anything you don't like. Here is a short intro of me. Without wasted any further time, let's start the video. While giving thanks to all of my old friends who stays beside me time to time and watch my videos. While also welcome new friends too. Without wasted any further time, let's start the video. Today I have also come with a new recipe, that is Chinese mixed fried rice in restaurant style. Let's have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this special recipe. The ingredients list with written measurement are given here on the front page after starting the video. To prepare this dish, we need some veggies, that is carrot, beans, capsicum cut it into very fine slices, a green part of spring onions, some finely chopped onions, and the white part of spring onions. Also chop some ginger and garlic. Steamed rice, which is moisture free. The rice should be cooked up to 80%. Some shredded chicken, prawns, and eggs too. In Chinese restaurant, they use shrimps instead of prawns. But today, in our local market, shrimp is not available. That's why I have to take prawns, which I have marinated previously with salt to taste, black pepper powder, Chinese salt, soya sauce, ginger garlic paste. So let's move to my little kitchen too now. Here I am taking 2 eggs in a bowl. Also am I adding salt to taste and pepper powder and beating the eggs well. Now I am placing a pan on the gas oven and switching on the flame. Let the pan be heated. Then I am adding some vegetable oil to the pan and allows the oil to be heated. After heated the oil, I am adding the prawn and frying it until golden brownish. Now I am taking off the prawn after it turns golden brownish. Then I am adding the beaten eggs to the same pan and started scrambling until it becomes well fried. Now I am taking off the fried eggs from the pan. I am adding some more vegetable oil to the pan and allow the oil to be heated. After heated the oil, I am adding chopped garlic, white part of spring onion and onions too. After
frying them for a few minutes. Here I am adding beans, carrot and shredded chicken too. Now I am tossing the whole on high flame for some times. Now here I am adding the boiled rice, fine slices of capsicum and spring onions. Then I am stirring the whole again well. White vinegar, a little amount of soya sauce, tiny salt to taste and black pepper powder. After adding all the ingredients to the pan, then I am stirring the whole once again. Now I am tossing all the veggies, rice. Here I am also adding the fried prawns and fried eggs. Then started tossing the whole for 3 to 4 minutes. For dishing out, I am adding some chopped ginger and spring onions. Our Chinese mixed fried rice is ready to serve. After tossing it once again, I am serving. Here I am taking a serving bowl and pour the whole in it. Also serving it hot with chili sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, with green chilies, salt and pepper powder. In this manner, let me complete the whole and get back to you soon. Now look, I have completed the whole, but sorry friends, I don't have any big rice bowl at present at my home. So whatever the utensils I have shown it to you. Please excuse me. While dishing out,
rice.
look here, the rice are separated from each other and the vegetables are crunchy, eggs and prawns well fried and shredded chicken well cooked.
If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your friends, family and relatives too. If you like the recipe, then at least do try it at home and let me know by comments in comment box below. Your comments and likes both inspired me a lot to make more new dishes like this. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new upcoming cooking videos in advance. Full thanks to those friends who have already subscribed my channel. If you are a new friend to this channel, please, it's a request, please subscribe the channel. Today's video is over for the time being and will be coming back soon with a new recipe. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.